Hey everyone, welcome to Urban Curls online community. My name is Keina Morgan, your curl expert and owner of Urban Curls Boutique here in Toronto. Through our online platforms, we are here to provide you with specialized and detailed information that can help you at home while the salon is still closed due to government restrictions. To access all of our content, you can follow us right here or subscribe to our YouTube channel at Urban Curls 416. That way you can stay up to date with all of our latest posts and all of our latest content. Allow us to continue helping you with your curl success. Till next time, bye.